Hey guys, I'm Randy. This is Show Me Tint. I got a couple really badass rides in the shop today. I'm really trying to decide what's what, and we're just going through them. We have a chance to compare a couple sweet rides, and so I thought I'd go through it with you and tell me what you think. Tell me what you like. Is it worth what they're charging right now to get this new ZO6? Of course, I'm kind of like, you know me, I'm kind of like reckless with my money, so I probably would do, spend the money, get the ZO6. But the logical person would say, I don't know. That's a lot of car over there. Both of these are brand new Corvettes, both super sexy. What's the differences? Well, let's talk about it. This actually has a smaller motor, I learned today. I did not know that. 5.5 liter, and then the other one's a 6.2. So the 6.2 is what I'm used to. Both of them are naturally aspirated. This one, the torque is about the same. This one has a little more torque behind us, but when the horsepower comes out, this one comes up to like, what is this, this is 570. No, this is 490. This is 490, and this is 560, 660, 665, 66, 72, 1, 67. Mine's 6,500. No, mine's 650. This one is just a little more, right? 670. Well, you were giving me weird hand signals. It was throwing me off. I thought I was about to throw a pitcher game. I'm winding up. Anyway, so what was this again? So we're clear? 670. 670 horsepower, 460, 490. You guys have got all these numbers going on. I'm trying to keep track of both of this. I'm not good at that. I feel like I'm doing math class. I'm like, all right, 460, 660. So this will wrap out to 8,500 RPMs. So you got to be in it in a higher RPM to get the horsepower out of it. It's more like towards like the Ferrari style, which it's super cool. I honestly just like the body style. We haven't even got into that. You know, the power's there for it. I had no idea that it was a smaller motor until we started learning about it today. And honestly, these are going for like a little bit higher of a price. I think there's a local place, it's like $220, something like that. $69,000 over sticker to buy one of these. Son, I'm telling you. But I'm the kind of guy that definitely do that, because if I want something, I'm getting it. We did some cool stripes on this. We did some paint protection on both of these. This right here, I like the little bit wider. I like the way this goes down a little bit more. I dig the body style a lot. I just think the wheels, are they a little bigger wheels? What's going on with the wheels? These are a 19. So there's a little wider tire, and it has a little bigger. This is more of a track style car versus like more of the street style. And if you really look at them in comparison, both sick cars. Don't get me wrong. I love both of these cars. I'd love to have either one in my garage, and I have 0 of them. So I'm just looking at them. I'm just getting a quick call from, oh yeah, this is the president of the Corvette place. He's like, here, hang on. Oh yeah, no, I can't afford either one of them. It's fine. No, it's my buddy calling. I would definitely, my vote is obviously the ZO6, because I have a ZO6, but it looks a little more beefier in the front end. I don't know if it's just the tires. I don't know. It's more aggressive. Yeah, definitely. The front bumper's way more aggressive. It just looks a little tougher, but they're both sexy cars. Yeah, they'll both rip off 0-60 in under 3 seconds. So fun driver. I mean, I've known a lot of people that have drove these, and they said this is like one of the fastest cars they've ever owned. The Stingray is just out there getting it. This is a convertible, so it's a little different on the backside body style, but it's super sick. Looks super sick as a convertible. Super cool car. This is what the 70th anniversary edition or something, 2023, and this is what, a 24. Both are 23s. Okay, both are 23s. We have a lot of Corvettes, a lot of white. We have a pearl white Corvette coming up. So we've done a lot of these. We do a lot of the Corvette paint protections. It's a lot of fun getting to have the trust we get to have with these customers, and they let us kind of just do our thing, and it's super cool. It's super fun. Like, some people are decorating with things, we're doing car stuff, you know. He had this like custom built. They put a little plaque in there. I don't know if you can see that. I think that is so sick. I saw that today. Yeah, that's sick. Putting my name on there for me, please. Super cool. Has a little museum deal. That's sick. Black interior. I should have saw you this white interior today. It was super cool. But this red interior, we actually we matched the stripe on the outside, if you look, to the inside of the door panels and stuff. So guy custom built it, then we custom did the stripes. I mean, definitely a boss ride. And it's a lot of fun. You can see, like, they put a lot of luxury into it. It's only a matter of time. If you guys would just subscribe and like more YouTube channels, we could all get one of these. You know what I mean? It'd be super fun. I'll go first, but then the rest of you guys can go. It'd be super cool. You got your cup holder, you gotta have that. I don't know. Look at all these buttons. What's going on? Look, they moved all the instrument cluster buttons here. That's super fun. You know what I mean? It's just a cool car. Both of them are super cool. I can't tell you It is very fun. I definitely take it. I take it right now. Both of them are hard to get out of. They're super low to the ground. So there's about $60,000 difference in these two cars. So does that sway your decision with 60 grand? Would you rather have this car and 60 grand or this car and no 60 grand? I don't know. That is actually tough when you put it like that. When you're like, this car, no 60 grand. This car, 60 grand. I don't know. This one is looking pretty sexy. I don't know. They both have the frunk. I showed the owner this little secret button on the cars. Watch this one not have one. Yeah, they keep a little pop over there. Comes with a Corvette bag. That's super dope. I have that. So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you want this car and a bundle of cash or that car and going very fast. It's kind of just, your call. It's whatever you like. I don't know, man. You only live once. So I say you can take this car and get gas money from your friends or something. You know what I mean? And then, or this car and you have a whole fat stack of cash with you. I don't know. It's a tough call. So let me know what you decide. We're going to have a lot of Corvettes coming in. We're going to have a lot of projects. I'd love to see what people think about this. You know what I mean? But it's a lot of fun. I appreciate you checking out the channel and let me know what you think of it. We appreciate it. All right. Thanks, guys.